All right, today we're going to be pulling the rear output shaft and the bevel gear on a Yamaha Virago 700, the same as the V-Star 1100 and several other models. So the one thing you don't need to do if you're just pulling the entire assembly out, you don't need to undo that nut that's down in here, this large nut there. And Yamaha makes a special tool, but you don't need to use that special tool. What they do here is bend this tab over, and so it holds this nut, and this nut around this outside is not very tight. This just holds it in there. So if you grab one big screwdriver, if you've got two small ones, try to bend that back. And what I did is put one in there and then take the other one and slide it in beside it just to make it thicker, and then tap on the one to try to push this in. The farther that you can push it in, the better, to get it away from hitting this aluminum housing around the outside. That's just going to cause metal buildup there, aluminum buildup, and it's going to be hard to turn that. Next thing you want to do is grab a soft punch here. You can get a brass punch or just about anything to turn it. You don't want to use metal because you're going to damage these splines up in here, which isn't a big deal except for the next time if somebody wants to use the Yamaha puller. You need those splines to be in good condition for that puller to go down in there. So you can take a soft punch like this here and tap all the way around, and you can just tap it off. Now once you get it fairly loose, I just take some angled needle nose pliers and I put pressure against that this outside nut here and push against kind of the inside nut there, and then I just turn the entire assembly. And then that'll allow you to spin it out just like that. Now when you get it all the way out, I've got a couple turns to go yet to get it out. But I wanted to show you how I did that there, and it's, again, not a whole lot of tension on that nut there. And then once you get so far, you can just pull it out. It's regular thread, so that means turn it counterclockwise to remove it. And once you spin it all the way out, then you're able just to lift up on this and pull it out. And then this one too, same thing, just take and pull it out. You've got a needle bearing down inside there. You want to make sure that these are meshing well. These can get damaged, and you got to replace both of those as a set together. So that is removing the output shaft on a Yamaha motorcycle.